Hi, welcome to Chiefkirk Outdoors. Today I'm going to do an experiment that I've been intending to do for a long time. Hadn't got around to it, but I'm going to do it today. A solar experiment. Now, I saw a video one time where the guy said that the size of your Fresnel lens was directly proportionate to how good it worked. Well, I'm going to try that out today. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 3 different sizes and I'm going to show you what I've got. The first thing I've got is my little Swiss Army knife with a magnifier on it. And I know this thing works because I have started a solar fire with it before. Then I'm going to move up to this size right here. We'll see how that works. And then we'll move up to this size here and we'll see how it works. So stand by with me. Now the first thing I'm going to do is, even though my glasses turn dark, I add a little bit to it with these clip-ons. And what I'll be using for tinder is some dryer lint, which I have in abundance. So I'm going to move you a little closer so you can see better. Now, if the sun will cooperate and keep shining down here good enough, first one I'm going to try is with my Swiss Army knife. I'm going to move these other 2 up here. I'm going to put this on here so they don't blow away. We're going to see how this works. Now the first thing you got to do is try to get a pinpoint of light. And you got to see which way the sun is coming too. Okay. There we go. That's not too bad right there. That ought to work pretty close anyhow. We'll see how long it takes each one. Now the position of the sun, I don't know if it's got anything to do with it or not. And we are also just a couple of days away from Thanksgiving. But the sun is pretty good because I can feel it on my black jacket. Okay, now, I haven't seen any smoke from this yet. Like I said, I do know that this works because I've used it before. Let's step up to a little bit bigger one here and see if it does anything. I am seeing smoke. I got smoke. I also got wind. I can see where it's burning also. Okay, it's melting it, but it's not igniting. Let me see if... No, that's not helping either. Okay. But I did, as you can see, hopefully you can see, I did put a couple of burn marks in it. Now let's try this big one. Now I also was told that on these big ones, if you get the side that has the little bit of, I don't know if you can hear that or not, they say that's the side you want up. So, oh man. Yeah. Golly. This thing is working really good. And I know you can see that smoke. And we got flame on this one. Okay, well, folks, what does that tell us? That tells us that it does, in fact, make a difference with the larger lens. Now, I'm going to bring you back up here a little bit where you can see all right. So, I tried 3 different lenses. This tiny one, I couldn't even get smoke with it. Now, when I used it before, it was in the dead of summer and the sun was really strong. And of course it might have had something to do with the material I was trying to light also. But the little one will work, but today under these conditions, it just absolutely wouldn't. I moved up to a bigger one, this one here, and I could see some smoke and it was burning little places, and maybe if I'd have stayed with it long enough it might have worked. But when I put this one on it, oh my goodness, there was like a whole lot of difference. Just as a matter of fact, on this one right here, which I don't think you can see, look at that. That is absolutely amazing. Look, flame and hot. My goodness, I'm amazed at how quick this worked. Flame, goodness gracious. Okay, well, folks, there's the answer, and it does work. These larger lenses work way much faster. So, anyhow, I enjoyed this little experiment, and I hope you did. I learned something from it, and I hope you did. So, until the next video, God bless you. Don't forget, tell somebody you love them. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.